And here's the newly acquired Sharp unit. This is an 8500 BTU. And it is from 1997, just like the other two 8500s that I have. The 10500 that I have is from 95. So I got plugged in. Let's go ahead and turn it on. The display is working fine, it's just the camera making it look weird. Here's the back of the unit. Plenty of air flowing through this coil, so it's this thing is pretty clean actually. It's been well taken care of. That guard is vibrating a little bit. It is missing the little vent thing, unfortunately, and it's I don't know if I mentioned already, but it's missing the filter.